So I'm going to show you how to get old apps on any Android device and any iOS device. As you can see here, so iPhone 4, iPhone 7, both are jailbroken, and then a Galaxy A51. And I'm going to show you how to get like old apps on them. So let's get into it. Okay, so first we're going to do the Android. It's the easiest. So let's open this. You're going to go to the internet, like in whatever browser you're using. You're going to search, what you're going to search is up to down, like this. You're going to open the first one, and as you can see here, there's going to be a bunch of Android apps, as you can see. So let's see which one we can choose, or which one we should get. Let's search for one. So we can search any. So I'm going to do Minecraft PE. No, just Minecraft. So let's try and find it. Because they don't have that here. They have Minecraft Earth tips, but that's just the tips. Let's see if they have Vine on here. Yes, they do. So if you're going to search Vine, you can get the latest version, which is the camera app. Or if you click older versions, you can get older ones. So I'm going to choose one now. Okay, so the one that I'm going to choose is going to be 5.50. So just gonna wait for that to go fully green. I'm going to click download. Download. Yes. Once it's done downloading, click open file. Wait, I already have one installed, so let me just delete that. Okay, that's deleted. So let's go to package installer. You can use your own APK installer, but I'm just going to use the normal one. Click install and just let it install. Once it's installed, it's going to say done or open. Just going to click done. And whenever you go to your home page, you should say right there, click on it and click continue, or whatever the app is that you've chosen. As you can see, we have Vine on this. That is how to install any APK you want on a Android. Let's move on to the iPhones now. So I want to do the iPhone 4 because it's a bit easier. There's two different ways to do it on the iPhone 4. So first one is getting Vitras, and if you open it, I've already searched one thing. So you normally start on this page. So go over to the search, type whatever game it is. Let's just do Minecraft. I spelled it wrong. God damn it. You're going to want to choose the one where it gives you a full description, like a proper description about the game. I already have it installed, so I need to delete it. So you're going to click the cloud icon here, then choose the version. I recommend choosing the newest one, as it's the recommended one for the phone, or for the iPhone that you're using. And you're just going to let this download. So I will be back when this is done. Once it's done, it's going to say application installed successfully. Just click OK. And as you can see, we have Minecraft P down here, and it fully works. Just going to show you. And these apps that we downloaded, or that you download from Vitras, are apps that real people, have uploaded onto it. As you can see, everything works. So that's the first way. The second way is with a PC and using 3U tools. Thing is, I do have a PC, I just don't want to give it away as it's massive. But basically, you can open